Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another guide and review on microwave ovens and air fryers. Now, taking a look at all these microwaves, we've got different designs. Some with like the nicely touch buttons, some with dial knobs, and there's a whole lot here. A lot of them have these handles on the door. This one has a push release button. Usually they're Panasonics. This is a Panasonic oven that I have, and even though it's 1,000 watt microwave, it does actually use 2,380 watts when it's on the oven mode, which is still about 700 watts less than a conventional oven. So you are saving power, and that is the guide a lot of people are looking for to save some power. So this is a Panasonic. It works pretty well. This one is a Samsung. This has a little dial at the side, which I think is quite nice. And then we've got the pull handle at the top, so not a push button. Now this tray in here, it's a low level pan, which keeps it a little bit away from the grill above, which is quite good. You've got loads of different guides on here for your timings and how long you should be cooking things for. And the Samsung comes in at so 2,900 maximum watts, but the oven itself uses 2,100, a little bit less than the Panasonic. Now I'm not sure what the 1,500 is. I don't think it is a 1,500 watt microwave. But if you check my description, you can see some more specs in there. So I have another Samsung here. This one's got the typical handle that on the side. Touch button controls again. Oh look, it comes with a chicken. Now the grill at the top on here is kind of like a conventional oven grill. It's slightly different. It feels a bit ceramic more than anything else. And again, it comes with the guides on the menus and stuff. This one is 900 watts. This is a Kenwood. Up to 2,500 watts. This has got a stand inside a little bit higher, and again the conventional grill at the top, and also the glass dish for the microwave bit. You have to take the metal bit out when you're microwaving. And we have another Kenwood, and this one actually has at the top, it uses bulbs. These kind of they heat up inside the elements. And the air fryers, another more modern thing that people are using to cook. This Ninja comes in various sizes, the 7.6 litre or the 9. They use about 2,400 watts, so they're still not that far short of an oven of 3,000 watts. There's quite a few in the market. Apart from Ninja, there's also T-fal. These come out in 3 different sizes. They're pretty good. The thing I like about T-fals is they have like program settings, which is like the mini grill, health grill that I've got. Now I do like this. This is like an oven that sits on your worktop. Uses the same sort of power, the 2,400 watts. It's got your different levels. The only thing it hasn't got, which is a microwave, which if they had that, I would have potentially would pick this up straight away and replace my microwave.
Going back to your machine for 10 years, basically, in the first year, we do everything basically. We can pull out everything like that. No, it's still logic. Yes.